We all know that being smart is important, but did you know there's another kind of intelligence that can be even more powerful? It's called emotional intelligence, or EQ for short. EQ is all about understanding and managing our feelings, as well as the feelings of others. This book will teach you about the 5 key parts of EQ: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Don't worry, these terms might sound complicated, but we'll explore them in simple ways that anyone can understand. Think of EQ as a secret weapon for success in all areas of life. Whether it's at work, in relationships, or even within ourselves, EQ helps us navigate challenges, build strong connections, and achieve our goals. Get ready to discover the incredible power within you. It's time to unlock your emotional intelligence and see the positive impact it can have on your life. Imagine being able to handle stress better, communicate more effectively, and lead with empathy. Emotional intelligence isn't just a skill, it's a journey of personal growth and transformation. So let's embark on this journey together and unlock the full potential of your emotional intelligence. The power to change your life is within you. Let's get started. Imagine you're about to give a big presentation. Your heart is racing, your palms are sweaty, and you feel a knot in your stomach. This is your body's way of reacting to stress. Self-awareness is the first step in understanding our emotions. Self-awareness means being able to recognize and name our own emotions. It's about knowing how we feel and why we feel that way. For example, if you're feeling stressed about a deadline, take a moment to acknowledge that feeling. Ask yourself, why am I feeling this way? What can I do to manage this stress? When we understand our emotions, we can start to manage them in healthy ways. This leads us to the next important component of EQ: self-regulation. Developing self-awareness takes practice, but it's a crucial skill for personal and professional growth. By understanding our emotions, we can improve our relationships, make better decisions, and lead a more fulfilling life. Life is full of ups and downs. There will be times when we face challenges, disappointments, and frustrations. It's during these tough times that self-regulation becomes crucial. Self-regulation is the ability to control our emotions and impulses. It's about not letting our feelings get the best of us, especially in difficult situations. Think of it like this. Imagine someone spills coffee on your favorite shirt. You might feel angry or upset, but instead of yelling, you take a deep breath and calmly explain that it was an accident. Self-regulation helps us stay composed, make rational decisions, and avoid impulsive reactions. It's a key skill for building strong relationships and navigating conflicts effectively. Practicing mindfulness and reflection can enhance our ability to self-regulate. Setting personal goals and celebrating small victories can also boost our emotional resilience. Remember, staying calm under pressure not only benefits us, but also strengthens our connections with others. Have you ever wondered what makes some people more driven and successful than others? It's not just about talent or intelligence. Motivation plays a huge role. In the context of EQ, motivation refers to our inner drive to achieve our goals. It's about setting high standards for ourselves and being passionate about what we do. People with high EQ are often highly motivated. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and are willing to put in the effort to get there. They don't give up easily, even when faced with obstacles. This inner drive is fueled by their ability to manage their emotions and stay focused on their goals. They celebrate small wins and learn from setbacks, constantly pushing themselves to improve. Their motivation not only drives their own success, but also inspires those around them. By harnessing the power of emotional intelligence, they turn their dreams into reality, one step at a time. Section 5. Stepping into their shoes. Understanding empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about putting yourself in someone else's shoes and seeing the world from their perspective. Imagine a friend is going through a tough breakup. Empathy allows you to not only understand their sadness, but also offer genuine support and comfort. You listen attentively, offer words of encouragement, and show that you care. Empathy is essential for building strong relationships, both personally and professionally. It helps us connect with others on a deeper level, build trust, and create a more compassionate and understanding world. By practicing empathy, we can foster a supportive environment where everyone feels valued and understood. Remember, empathy is not just about feeling for others, but also about taking action to support them. So let's strive to be more empathetic in our daily lives and make a positive impact on those around us. Section 6. Building bridges. The importance of social skills. Social skills are the tools we use to interact effectively with others. This includes our ability to communicate clearly, build rapport, influence others, and work collaboratively. People with strong social skills are often excellent communicators. They know how to listen attentively, express themselves clearly, and build strong connections with others. They are adept at navigating social situations, resolving conflicts peacefully, and building strong relationships. In today's interconnected world, social skills are more important than ever. They are essential for success in all areas of life, from personal relationships to career advancement. Developing these skills can lead to a more fulfilling and successful life, enhancing both personal and professional growth. Section 7. Emotional Intelligence in Action, Real-World Success. Let's look at how emotional intelligence plays out in the real world. Imagine a team leader who remains calm and collected under pressure, motivating their team to achieve a challenging goal, or a teacher who creates a supportive and engaging classroom environment by understanding and responding to the emotional needs of their students. These are just a few examples of how emotional intelligence can lead to success in various aspects of life. From the workplace to personal relationships, EQ empowers us to navigate challenges, build strong connections, and achieve our goals. By developing our emotional intelligence, we can unlock our full potential and live more fulfilling and meaningful lives. Emotional intelligence is the key to unlocking success in every area of our lives. It helps us stay grounded, focused, and resilient. So let's embrace EQ and transform our lives for the better. Section 8. Your Journey to Emotional Brilliance. This book has explored the 5 key components of emotional intelligence: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. We've seen how these skills are essential for success in all areas of life. The good news is that emotional intelligence is not fixed. It's something we can develop and strengthen over time. Just like learning a new language or playing an instrument, it takes practice and effort. By understanding our emotions, managing them effectively, and developing our empathy and social skills, we can enhance our relationships, achieve greater success, and live more fulfilling lives. Remember, the journey to emotional brilliance is ongoing. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. With dedication and perseverance, you can unlock the full potential of your emotional intelligence. Embrace the journey and watch as your life transforms in remarkable ways. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel, support us, and stay tuned for more insightful videos like this.